We're going to start by removing this bracket that holds this wiring harness on right here. That was easy. Now we'll take off, I'm going to call this an ignition module, for lack of a better term. There's only one bolt because the bottom one's missing. Next we'll take the coils off, one for each plug. That's interesting. This bolt is one size, this bolt is another size. No problem. Alright, and the bottom coil actually wasn't even bolted there. Next we have this little, I guess the kill switch. I don't know what that is, to be frank. 15/16. Okay. Out she comes. For those scoring at home, black with the yellow stripe or white stripe, yellow, is the one lead from the switch, and the other one goes to ground. I don't think you can get this out without taking the flywheel off.
Absolutely not.
Right? This is the nut.
Take the flywheel off.
Alright.
Like I can still behind Lee's back.
Shut up.
Yeah.
But what about when Leigh finds out?
What? Finds out what?
That you two ladies in the same house. When Mr. Furley comes over to collect the rent.
Yeah.
I'm just here to collect the rent, Jack. Oh, hi, Leigh. Oh, you're Frank? I thought the other one was Frank.
It'll be fine, dude. Oh, you might need a,
I need a puller to pull it.
Yeah. Dude, I'm gonna go
I'm trapped here.
I thought
Just here to collect the rent, Jack. All right. Seems that we got this regular balancer, harmonic balancer puller. I'm gonna give this a shot. There we go, fucker. Sometimes I use an impact wrench on this, but I don't like to. This time I'm not. Oh, look at those washers getting fucking bent up. I'm gonna have probably an explosion soon. There we go. Came through.